Frustration reaches peak proportions in West Kingston as bloodletting continues. Good evening and thanks for joining us at Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, flooded communities, blocked roads and displaced citizens as heavy rains continue to affect eastern parishes.
One Portmore MP demands an apology from the JLP candidate following Portmore mosquito remark.
Who won the first local government debates? We have the scorecards.
And the garbage collection agency promises to pay contractors amidst threats of protest action.
In business news, Finance Minister says steps being taken to reduce de-risking.
There's also sports commentary as well as primetime weather in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Who won the local government debate last night? Justify your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.